Good morning, good morning, good morning. So, this is just an episode. I'm going to get a new exhaust for Zuma here, my 2005 SL500. So, here's the exhaust. Now, I want you guys to hear it. Okay, nothing special, nothing amazing, nothing crazy. But hopefully, I'm gonna have a slight little bit of difference because I'm going to get a new exhaust now, and it's gonna be put on by Bob's Pit Stop in Santa Cruz, California. So hey, let's see what they do today for us. Peace. Okay, we're back from the shop. We got the work done. It is called Bobby's Pit Shop. Can you see that? Bobby's Pit Shop. Pit Stop. Bobby's Pit Stop. All right, let's see what they did. I don't know. Kind of like it. I'm happy with it. It sounds nice, tight, clean, basic.